In this next section, we're going to roll back our modifications to the feature module. So we have the original version of our feature module in version control, and we've exported a new version of our feature module into the code base, but those changes haven't been added yet to version control. They're unstaged. So to completely roll back our modification, there's two steps we need to take. First, we need to roll back our changes in code, and second, we need to revert the changed components through the features user interface. So first of all, I'm going to jump back to the command line, and let's go ahead and do a git status. Now again, we're on our development site right now. Okay, and it shows that there are 3 files, all 3 in our features articles folder. Now if we want to undo these, we can simply do a git reset hard to head, which again will reset the code back to the last revision that we made, rolling back any changes that have been staged or unstaged. I'm going to hit enter. Okay, now I'm going to jump back to the browser and I'm going to refresh. Now notice that right now it says default for the state, which means that everything's up to date. But when I do a refresh, now that our code base has changed, it now shows as overridden. So our second step here is to revert back our changes, which we've done before. So I'm going to click on overridden. Now we see that our menu links and content types are overridden. So to revert these, we can simply click on these and select revert components. Now if we go back to our features listing, we'll see that we're back to the default state, which means that our code is now in sync with our database.